All right, guys, so we got a Whirlpool front loader here, Duet, and if you're having issues with your washer draining or spinning, you might want to check your drain catch. Now, the best way to change these, you don't have the opening underneath by the left front, so have someone help you tilt the machine back, and underneath you're going to have 2/4-inch screws, and you'll have 2 plastic tabs. You will need like a flat blade putty knife or something to help you pull out the keeper, the plastic keepers. Now, at the bottom, you'll also have that. It's nothing more than a wire keeper. Press and hold, and it falls in. Once you're in, pretty straightforward. You're going to have your pump, and that's what it looks like. Turn to the left, going towards the back. Put a bucket or something underneath to catch the water so you don't make a mess, and keep turning and extract it. You will see. This washer was over 6 years old, and the lady did a great job. That's pretty much clean, nothing much. Yours might be full of hair, lint, money, so a lot of times I find money in them. So wash that off, clean it, make sure your gasket, that black piece, is not damaged, and after that, insert it back in. Make sure you tighten it all the way. There's a stopper, so once it's fully tightened, it will be stopped. You can't turn anymore. All right, then you put your panel back on. Don't forget your wire clip down there towards the back. That has to be plugged back in. There you go, plug it in. And then you have your 2/4-inch screws, and then your 2 plastic tabs. All right, insert it, and that's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. By the way, your washer should start to drain. If not, you might have to replace the drain pump or check for voltage at the pump wire with the washer and drain and spin. All right, if you're getting voltage, then replace the pump.